So there's that, but I'm also working on sort of another theme. This is more of a colorful and gradient based theme, which I've yet to decide what the final name is going to be or how it's going to be used. But it's sort of exploratory work into something I'm doing on the side.
Yeah, I've seen that tweet of yours. It's too colorful, I guess. It takes us in the gradient Web 2.0 gradient era.
Yep.
Yeah, but I think it's coming back with the Web 3, I guess, since Web 3 has become a stuff, maybe.
Yeah, there's a lot. I've seen a lot of stuff lately with gradients, duotones and gradients, and just sort of creative use of color. And I'm really excited about that because historically I've really been more a black and white designer, and I'm really enjoying my time with color. So
I can see that. I remember if I just look at the Genesis default theme, it was black and white. And again, Revolution was the same.